What if you stop drinking soda completely? It might seem like a small change, but your daily routine could start looking very different. Imagine deciding that today is the day. One simple choice could begin a chain of surprising changes. The first few days may feel challenging because you're used to reaching for soda without even thinking about it.
You might notice cravings when you see other people drinking soda, but sticking with your goal can become easier over time.
As water becomes your new favorite drink, many people report feeling more refreshed throughout the day.
Without constantly relying on soda, your daily routine may start to feel more balanced and consistent.
Some people even find that their mornings feel smoother and that getting out of bed becomes less of a struggle. Another unexpected benefit? The money you used to spend on soda can start adding up surprisingly fast. Once you break the habit, choosing healthier foods and drinks may begin to feel much more natural. With better habits building over time, staying active and enjoying everyday activities can feel easier. After a few weeks, the small decision to quit soda may already feel like a major lifestyle upgrade.
So, what happens when you stop drinking soda? For many people, it becomes the first step toward healthier everyday choices.